Good morning. My name is Maureen Duggan. I am the chair of the Board of Directors of the College of Physical Therapists of BC. Today I want to address all registrants of the college to thank you for all you are doing during these challenging times. Whether that is in acute care, where you are delivering services to COVID patients and others in the hospital, or if you're a community physical therapist and adhering to the directive of the Ministry of Health and the college to go home and stay home to reduce the spread of COVID-19. We realize this is a very difficult time for all. For community service providers, having to suspend face-to-face services and trying to set up telehealth alternatives is nothing we could have imagined weeks ago, but it is the right thing to do. The board and staff recognize the broad impact of COVID-19. There are personal losses, and we send condolences to anyone who may have lost a loved one due to coronavirus. There are financial impacts due to personal or family-related layoffs or business closures. And there are professional losses as our work has changed so dramatically in the last few weeks. There are additional stressors as we learn how to work and live virtually. We have children at home, parents or other loved ones who rely on us to ensure that they are safe and healthy. Online school has begun, and we may be self-isolating, yet still need our basic needs met, such as getting groceries and prescriptions. These are challenging times, but they will pass, and we need to remain steadfast as a profession and a community to do our part to flatten the curve. The college has fielded many questions over the past few weeks. We have staff working 7 days a week responding to practice questions. And while we may not be able to answer all of your questions, and at times you may not like the answer we have given, we are doing our best to share our expertise and knowledge and to give you up-to-date information. Some have asked what else is the college doing these days. Beyond providing practice support, the college business continues. Complaints continue to be received and managed. Registration continues. And we are working with the Ministry of Health to identify registrants who are willing to be deployed under emergency circumstances if required. Almost 400 physical therapists have signed up, so thank you for your willingness to help. We are preparing for registration renewal and are continuing to think about regulatory reform. On behalf of the board, I have some news for you today around registration renewal. The board has agreed that renewal should be extended for 3 months and that the fees be decreased by $150. While renewal will open as usual in May, you will have until August the 31st to renew and pay. The college hopes that this will assist registrants mitigate some of the financial loss while continuing to allow us to do the business and meet our mandate as a college. Watch for more information in a separate notice about renewal 2021. In closing, on behalf of the Board of Directors and staff, thank you again for all that you are doing during this pandemic. Stay safe, stay home, and as much as you can, keep well.